My name is Sister Marilise Meyer-Bauer. I'm a veterinary wildlife nurse and I look after the health and well-being of all the animals in the Wildlife Centre.
My name is Mike Finn. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at the Rhino Nature Reserve.
World Wildlife Day means it's the variety of animal and plant species in the world that we have to conserve, and we have to take care of them for our children's children.
And one of the things that we're striving to do is to make people aware and educate people about the importance of wildlife and conservation in general.
Poaching, deforestation, human-induced species reduction. It's really not necessary to poach an animal for the body parts. Make sure that we are always there to protect these animals.
It's an opportunity for all of us, including you, to play a role in sustaining our life on this earth.
So for our humans to fight against wildlife crime is really to educate the people and our children on how important the animals are for the environment.
It's about learning about them. It's about learning about their habitats, learning why it's so important to preserve, learning about why they're a threat and why they become endangered, and start changing our ways. Changing the way that they live and the way that they perceive things. And if we can just get kids to understand what role they can play in conserving and sustaining our life on Earth, okay, that is going to be the key to the future.
She's got an odd hematoma, which means the flies were irritating her ears and she was shaking it and there's little veins inside that burst. So what I'm doing, I'm just draining the ear. Her ear is much better. The earlobe was full of seroma and blood, but it has gone down a lot because we've been doing this every day now. Okay, Sion. Okay. Asai. Okay, Sinkie. Asai, ja. Jy's mooi, hoor. Okay. Antibiotics and some cortisone. I did exactly the same yesterday and it's already a huge improvement from yesterday.